Hi, hello, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhageshri Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Okay, so have you did your homework? Yesterday's class was interesting. So homework madidra? In today's session, we are going to learn next concept. So illu kuda namge see, in the last class, we have discussed about the relationship between coefficients and zeros, right? Zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. So all this we have discussed in the last class. So definition of polynomial, general form, types of polynomial, depending upon the terms and depending upon the degree, right? And also we have discussed which type of graph we will get. If it is a linear polynomial, then we will get a straight line. If it is a quadratic polynomial, then parabolic shape. Okay. If it is a cubic, quartic, and quintic. So which type of graph we will get? That also we have discussed in the last class. So in today's session, what we are going to discuss? See, this is very interesting topic. Is geometrical meaning. So by using the graph, we can find out the number of zeros. So ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು zeros ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So that was interesting. Next ನಮ್ಗೇನಿದೆ? So relationship between zeros and coefficient. Yes, my dear students, yesterday I have given you one homework. 4a square minus 4s minus 1. This was the homework, right? So zeros ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ zeros ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4s square minus 4s minus 1. So zeros ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That means alpha and beta value, sum of zeros and product of zeros. ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? Yes. Okay. So ನಾವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ. So in today's session, we will solve this problem. So next problem. This is also from exercise. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ 4u square minus 8, right? 4u square minus 8. Yes, dear students, this is also a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because here highest degree, maximum power is 2, right? So that means this is also quadratic polynomial. But quadratic polynomial, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. E formally irbeku. But here we are not going to get this form, right? Only 4u square minus 8u anta ide, right? So in order to get this polynomial into standard form, what I am going to do? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, 4u square, this quadratic polynomial can be written as 4u square minus 8u. ಯಾವ term miss ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Which term is missing here? Constant term is not there. So c is not there, right? So that c I am going to write as 0. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. If I write 0, does it make any difference? No, na. It will remain as it is. 4u square minus 8u ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು 0 ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it doesn't make any difference, right? Now you people only tell me, what is the value of a here? Yes, dear children, a value is 4. Why? Because 4 is the coefficient of u square. Next, b value minus 8, right? C value is, means it is 0. Nam clear agi ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. C is equal to 0. Now, next part, to find out the zeros. That means value of alpha and beta vanna now find out. How you are going to find out alpha and beta? See here, our polynomial is 4u square minus 8u is there, right? So here 4u square and 8u, which term is common? ಯಾವ term common ಇದೆ? So between these two, which term is common? Here 4 is there, here 8 is there. So 8 can be written as 4 into 2, right? 4 2 is 8. That means 4 I will take outside. 4 is common. 4 ಒಂದೇ common ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. U is also a common. Why? Here U square is there and here U is there. So U is also a common. That means I will take 4U outside. If I take 4U outside, what will remain in the bracket? U minus 2. U minus 2, right? Now, 4U into U minus 2. These two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Next step in Martini, I will equate these two factors with 0. So what I will get? 4U is equal to 0. U minus 2 equal to 0, right? Next, U equal to, transfer this 4 to this side. So 0 divided by 4, that's equal to 0. So U is equal to 0. Next, U minus 2 equal to 0. Transfer this minus 2 to this side. You will get U is equal to 2. Okay. Now, this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. These two are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Right? Next step in Marbeku, find out the sum of zeros. Right? Sum of the zeros. Nan jotege neevu kuda note down ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. So this is the formula. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Alpha value is 0. Yes or no? Beta value, that is 2, equal to minus, right, as it is. So here, what is the value of b? B value ಏನಿದೆ? B value is minus 8. So b value is minus 8 divided by a value is 4. 0 plus 2, it is 2. Minus into minus plus. So 8 divided by 4, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So 2 equal to 2. Right? 2 equal to 2. Here also LHS part is equal to RHS part. That means relationship holds, or you can say it is verified. Right? Verified. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? No. We need to find out product also, right? So product of the zeros is equal to, dear children, product of the zeros, alpha into beta equal to c divided by a. Okay. Now, what is the value of alpha? Alpha value ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? Alpha value is 0, right? 0 into beta value is 2 is equal to c value. C value is 0 here divided by a value is 4. 0 into 2, that is 0 only. 0 divided by anything, that is also 0. So here also 0 equal to 0. That means LHS part is equal to RHS part. So I can say that relationship holds or it is verified. Understood? Understood? Easy? Yes, good evening. Good evening, all of you. Okay, have you noted? Barkonta? So shall we move to next problem? So next problem ಏನಿದೆ children? T square minus 15. So T square minus 15, this is also a quadratic polynomial. But which term is missing here? T square minus 15. So maximum power, highest power is 2. That means this is a quadratic polynomial. But which term is missing? Here constant term is there, but middle term is missing. See, ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ax square plus bx plus c ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. A value is 1 here because t square is equal to x square only. minus 15. 15 means it is constant term, but middle term miss ಆಗಿದೆ. Middle term miss ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, right? So I need to write middle term bx. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? That I will write it as t square plus 0 into t. Yes, dear children, observe carefully. Here in the place of x, t is there. So I will write 0 into t. Okay, don't get confused. Minus 15. Now, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? Next, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1, b value is 0, and c value is minus 15, right? Next step. So here t square minus 15 is there. So ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡೋದು? So in the last problem 4u was common. So I will 4u ಅನ್ನ common ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ. That then we will get two factors. But here what we are going to do? T square minus 15. Yes, dear children, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, we know one thing, that root 15 into root 15 is equal to 15. Yes or no? See, root x into root x is equal to x. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Like that, root 15 into root 15 is equal to 50. So this 15, I will write it as, ಈ 15 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay. ಈ 15 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, t square minus root 15 whole square. Yes or no? T square minus root 15 whole square. Let's wait for it. Okay. Now, observe carefully. So, by looking only, I can tell that this polynomial is equal to, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ನಮಗಿದು? This is equal to a square minus b square. ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? a square minus b square ತರ ಇದೆ. Yes or no? A square means t square, b square means root 15 square. So what is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? A plus b into a minus b. Now, a value is t, b value is root 15. Root 15. Observe carefully. B square value is root 15 whole square. But what is the value of b? B value is root 15. Right? Now, substitute the value of a and b into this formula. T plus root 15 and t minus root 15. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? t ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? ರೂಟ್ 15 ಇದೆ. ಈ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ t plus root 15, t minus root 15. Now I got two factors. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ two factors ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. Now next step is I will equate these two factors with 0. Okay. Then I will get t plus root 15 is equal to 0. T minus root 15 is equal to 0. Okay. So t plus root 15, t minus root 15. Now, transfer this root 15 to this side. Then it will be minus root 15. Transfer this minus root 15 to this side. T equal to root 15. Right? Now, this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. Okay, now I got two roots, alpha and beta. Next step, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Find out the sum of zeros and product of zeros, right? Yes. Sum of two zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Now, dear children, what is the value of alpha? Alpha value is minus root 15 plus what is the value of beta? Observe here, beta value is root 15. Okay, is equal to. So, write minus as it is. Next, what is the value of b? B value is 0. So, write 0 here divided by a value is 1. Here minus root 15 is there. Here plus root 15 is there. So both value will get cancel. Cancel antandre artha eno 0. Okay. So minus plus both values will get cancelled. Here I will get 0. 0 divided by anything is 0 only. So here LHS value is equal to RHS value. That means here also relationship holds or it is verified. Right? Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. C means what? Constant. A means what? Coefficient of x square. B means what? Coefficient of x. A means coefficient of x square. Right? Now, alpha value is minus root 15. Alpha value is minus root 15. Beta value is plus root 15 is equal to, what is the value of C? C value is minus 15, right? Minus 15 divided by A value is 1. So already I have told you, root 15 into root 15 is equal to 15. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ root 15 into root 15 is equal to 15. Root x into root x is equal to x. ಅದೇ ತರಹ root 15 into root 15 ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ 15 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So this is minus 15. Minus 15 divided by 1 equal to minus 15. So LHS part is equal to RHS part. So ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root x into root x means root x whole square. Right? This 2 and this root will get cancelled. What you will get? X. Like that, root 15 whole square, 2 and root will get cancelled. You will get 15. So, root 15 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Root 15 into root 15. Right? ಈ 15 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 15 into root 15. ಯಾಕೆ? So, root 15 whole square is equal to 15. So, for that reason, I have written root 15 whole square here. So, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So, what is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. So, a is equal to t. B is equal to root 15. Okay. So, t plus root 15, t minus root 15, these two are the factors. So, if we equate these two factors with 0, then we will get alpha and beta. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So, 0 equal to 0 sigate. Product n sigate. Alpha into beta equal to c divided by a. So, minus 15 equal to minus 15. Here also, both values are same. Right? Okay. Yes. Have you noted? Shall we move to next problem? Shall I erase? ಇದನ್ನ erase ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಪ ನಿಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, ನನ್ ಮಗ ಅಥವಾ ಮಗಳು ಮಿಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಚಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? 1 hour ನಾನ್ ದಿವಸ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಂತ, ಈ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ದಿನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ 1 hour ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನ್ ಮುಂದ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಮುಂದ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಬರ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಿಮಿಷವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಮಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? ಏನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲಾ ಇರೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಮಿಸ್ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಮಿಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನನ್ ಇಡೀ 10th ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ 3x² - x ಮೈನಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಬರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. 3x² - x ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್, this is a quadratic polynomial, and already I have told you what is the difference between polynomial and equation. In equation we are going to equate the polynomial into 0, where in equation, but here we are not going to equate. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ that is equation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ 0 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ this is a quadratic equation, but here we are not going to write equal to 0 or equal to any value, only p of x is there. So this is a polynomial. Remember, this is the difference between equation and polynomial. Now, so 3x² minus x minus 4 is there, right? So this is the polynomial and it is a quadratic polynomial. Here directly we can get the value of a value is 3, b value is -1, nothing is there means -1, and c value is -4, right? So this is in the form of ax² plus bx plus c, right? A value is 3, b value is -1 and c value is -4. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, right? So next step, find out the roots. How? By using factorization method. Factorization method ಅಲ್ಲಿ what you are going to do? First we should multiply a into c. What is the value of a here? 3. 3 into -4. 3 4s are 12. So now ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Choose two numbers such that product should be -12 and middle term ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? -1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದು? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದು? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದು? 12 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ -12 and if you add or subtract that two numbers then you will get -1. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದು? 3 4s are 12 or 4 3s are 12, -4 plus 3. -4 plus 3, then I will get -1, and -4 into plus 3, then I will get -2. Yes or no? 4 3s are 12. So here 3x² minus x minus 4, this I will write it as 3x² minus 4x plus 3x minus 4, right? So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay, make two groups. So in first group, which term is common? Yes, dear children, which term is common? X is common. So I will take x outside. Then 3x minus 4 will remain in the bracket, plus here nothing is there means 1 is common. So 1 I will take outside. 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 is 1 factor and x plus 1 is another part. Then next, yes, 4 and 3, yes, very good. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Then x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x equal to, transfer this minus 4 to this side. This is 4. X equal to 4 divided by 3. Then x equal to minus 1. Now, this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. Next step, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a, right? So what is the value of alpha? Alpha value is 4 divided by 3. Next, beta value minus 1. Minus b value is minus 1 divided by, what is the value of a here? 3, right? Next, nothing is there means 1. So do cross multiplication. 4 into 1, 4. 3 ones are 3 divided by 3 is LCM here. Minus into minus plus 1 divided by 3. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3. That means LHS part is equal to RHS part. Both values are same, right? Next, we'll find out product of zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. What is the value of alpha here? Alpha value is 4 divided by 3. Beta value is minus 1. C value is minus 4. A value is 3. 4 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Here also LHS part is equal to RHS part. Both are same. Then relationship holds, or you can say it is very understood. Do you have any doubt? Factorization method ಅಂತೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 8th standard we are learning factorization method. So by using factorization method, we are going to find out zeros, alpha and beta. Next, find out the sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ a ಮತ್ತೆ b values confuse ಆದ್ರೆ first ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Then will not get confused. A means 3, B means minus 1, C means minus 1. Okay. Yes. Shall we move to next question? This is very important. Such type of questions will be asked for 1 mark, or it may ask in MCQ questions. Okay. So MCQ question alli direct agi keltare, or 1 marks questions allu kuda direct agi keltare. Then C, find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. What they have given here, they have given alpha plus beta sum value and product value they have given, right? Namgilli alpha matte beta vana find out mado avashyakate illa, they have given us already. But what we need to find out is, by using these two values we can write quadratic polynomial. Illi namge, see, in the last problem, quadratic polynomial they have given. By using that quadratic polynomial, we are going to find out sum and product. But here already they have given us sum and product. By using this product and sum, we can find out the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Hege, very simple question. See, in the last class I have told you, remember this relation, remember this expression anta ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? x into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Remember this expression anta ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Why? Because when they have given sum and product, that time we are going to use this expression. So in this problem, we are going to use that expression. So what is the value of alpha plus beta here? Dear children, alpha plus beta value is 1 divided by 4. This is sum and this is product. Okay. Alpha into beta value is minus. Next. So expression is P of x. P of x means here we are finding quadratic polynomial. Okay. Expression ಏನಿದೆ x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Remember, x square, if you want, you can see x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Right? Now, we know the value of alpha plus beta and also we know the value of alpha into beta. So, substitute these two values into this expression. X square minus x into alpha plus beta value 1 divided by 4. Alpha into beta value is minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Next step. X square. Okay. X square minus x into 1. That is x divided by 4 plus into minus minus 1. So, ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರಹ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So, first what we are going to do here, in the denominator 1 is there. Nothing is there means 1. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1, 4, 1. So, what is the LCM here? LCM ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right? Next. So, LCM 4 ಆದ್ರೆ here I will multiply into 4 into 4. Here 1, 1. Here into 4 into 4. Why? In order to get LCM 4. So, 4 into x square, 4x square, x into 1, x minus 1 into 4, 4. Right? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ LCM ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ LCM ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can get 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ into 4 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Right? So 4x square minus x minus 4. Now observe carefully. Here we got one expression. So this expression is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Right? So this is our quadratic polynomial. But here in the denominator 4 is there. So I don't want this 4. ಈ 4 ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ. Denominator ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ. So for that what I will do, I will add one constant term to the expression, to the polynomial, or you can say expression, to the polynomial. So one constant term ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. K into 4x square minus x minus 4 divided by 4. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ k term ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು? So that I want to cancel this 4. ಹೇಗೆ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? When I take k is equal to 4, that time this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Only I will get numerator, right? If I take k is equal to 4. So 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4 divided by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. What you will get? P of x equal to 4x square minus x minus 4. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is our required polynomial, required quadratic polynomial. Alva? So namgili final expression, final polynomial ಏನು ಬಂತು? 4x square minus x minus 4 is our answer. Understood? Okay. So have you noted? Shall we solve next problem? So ಇವತ್ತು MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Next question. Root 2 and 1 by 3. Here also alpha plus beta value is root 2 and alpha into beta value is 1 divided by 3. Then what is our expression? P of x equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta, right? Now, x square minus x into alpha plus beta value is root 2 plus alpha into beta value is 1 by 3. Dear children, here also nothing is there means 1. So LCM is 3 here. 3 means here I need to multiply by 3. Here also 3. 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 into 3 root 2 x plus 1. 3 root 2 into x plus 1. So now again what I will do? I will multiply one constant term to the expression. K into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 divided by 3. Now take k is equal to 3. Why? In order to cancel the denominator. So 3 equal to, 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 divided by 3. Right? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Finally, what you will get? 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is our required polynomial. Now, check once again whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೇನಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Why? Because we want quadratic polynomial. So, ax square bx plus c. Yes, it is there. So, this is our required polynomial. ಇಲ್ಲಿ polynomial. Right? Understood? Next problem. Okay. So this is very simple problem. ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So directly we can solve. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. Alpha into beta is root 5. So what is our expression? P of x equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Now dear children, x square minus x into, what is the value of alpha plus beta? 0 plus root 5. X square, x into 0 is 0 only, plus root 5. So I will get x square plus root 5. This is our required polynomial. Denominator bandre, then we will take constant term k. Otherwise, right? Keep as it is. Ishte saku namge. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Where is b? B is 0, right? Now, so idana new solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? This is homework. Why? This is alpha plus beta value is 1. Alpha into beta value is 1. Substitute both values into the formula. Then you will get required polynomial. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Shall we move to next question? Yes, dear children, here two denominators are there, right? So alpha plus beta value is minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta value is 1 by 4. What is our expression? P of x equal to x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವೆನ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ಬೀಟಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ minus 1 by 4 plus alpha into beta value is 1 by 4. X square minus into minus plus x into 1, that is x divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Now, dear children, what is LCM here? 4, here also 4 is there, here also 4 is there, here 1 is there. That means 4 is LCM. So 4 is LCM means in the first term, I need to multiply by 4. Then I will get 4x square plus x plus 1. Next step, take one constant term k. Take constant term k. Why? In order to remove this denominator. Right? So k into 4x square plus x plus 1 divided by 4. Next, take k is equal to ಏನಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Now I will take k is equal to 4. Why? 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So 4 into 4x square plus x plus 1 divided by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Finally, what you will get? 4x square plus x plus 1. Now, this is our required polynomial. Now, this polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So next problem. This is also homework because this is very, very simple problem. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ homework. ಏನು denominator ಇಲ್ಲ. Directly ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta into this equation, this expression. Then you will get required polynomial. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So next, shall we move to next problem? Problem illa. Now we'll solve some multiple choice questions. All are ready? Yes, dear children, all are ready? Okay. Okay. So, multiple choice questions. The zeros of ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? That we will discuss in this section. The zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8. Yes, dear children, which one is answer? 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4 minus 4. So, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ zeros of this polynomial. Zeros of this polynomial means how can you find out zeros? By using factorization method. So, here we need to use factorization method. So, x square minus 2x minus 8. Again, a into c, that is 8. So product is 8 and middle term is minus 2. Yeah, numbers choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2, that is 2. Minus 4 plus 2. Then I will get minus 8. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Again, make two groups. X is common. X minus 4. Here, 2 is common. Observe carefully. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 2 I will take outside. X minus into plus minus 4. So x minus 4 is one factor. Sorry. X minus 4 and x plus 2. These two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Next step, equate with 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to, transfer this minus 4 to this side. X equal to 4. Then x equal to minus 2. Okay. Now you people tell me zeros are 4 and minus 2. So which answer is right here? Yes, option B. Option B. Yes. Okay. 4 and minus 2. This one is right answer. Option B is right. Have you understood? Next question. If P of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and P of a equal to 0, then A is said to be, yes, my dear children, A is said to be, observe carefully, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. P of x is a polynomial of degree 1. Okay, degree 1 ಇದೆ. P of a equal to 0. If degree 1 means it is a linear polynomial, right? Linear polynomial is in the form of ax plus b, right? P of a equal to 0. Then a is said to be whether it is 0 of P of x, value of p of x, constant of p of x, none of the above. Yes, I will give you 1 minute. Which one is right answer? ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಝೀರೋನ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಬವ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Yes, all are saying B. Yes, all are saying B. B means value of P of X. Okay, C. Some are saying C. Okay, some students are saying D. Why D? None of the above. None of the above. One did answer. Yes. Which one is right answer? Yes, Srinivas. A answer. Yes, very good. A, B. Okay. B, C. Okay. So majority is B. C. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಯಾಕೆ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. P of A equal to 0, then A is said to be, see my dear children, if P of X equal to X plus 1, if I take P of X equal to X plus 1, then if I take X equal to minus 1, X equal to minus 1 plus 1, both will get cancelled. What you will get? 0. Okay. So when you will get 0, P of 1, P of minus 1, when you substitute X equal to minus 1, then you will get 0. But here, ಈ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು A ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ, A ಅಂತ ನಾನು represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then P of A equal to 0. Yes or no? P of A equal to 0. ಈ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು A ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? P of A equal to 0. Then ಈ A ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 0 of this polynomial. Why? Because at this value, polynomial value will become 0. minus 1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ P of X ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ತು, 0 ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ತು. That means you can say that this minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Yes or no? X equal to minus 1. Here we are calling X as A equal to minus 1. That means if P of A is equal to 0, so this A is 0 of the polynomial, not value of P of X, 0 of P of X. Remember, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರಹ ಬರುತ್ತೆ equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, then you can say that this is 0 of P of X. Remember. Okay. Next one. The zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 are. Yes, this is very simple question. Again, do factorization method, find out the factors. So, nan madalla, nan wait ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, answer ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So, by using factorization method, tell me which one is right answer here. 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4 minus 4. Yes, dear children, I am waiting for your answers. X square minus 2x minus 8. Okay. So again, 8. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು 2 numbers ಅನ್ನ choose ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ 2 numbers ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? Product should be 8 and middle term should be minus 2. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು numbers ಅನ್ನ choose ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ? Again, take 4 2s. Right? 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 2. That is minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Right? Now, make two groups. X minus 4, x is common. Here 2 is common. X minus 4, x minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. It is same like last problem. ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Okay. So 4 minus 2. Already we did this. Next ನೋಡೋಣ. A polynomial of degree n has. Yes, my dear children, just think it. A polynomial of degree n has, already I have told you, only one zero, at least n zero, more than n zero, at most n zero. Which one is right answer? So, ella similar ide. Which one is the correct answer? A degree n iddaga only one zero, at least n zero, more than n zero, at most n zero. Yes, which one is right answer? So some students are saying B, at least n zero, B, A, C, okay. B, C, yes, yes. Some students are saying D, yes. Okay. D, at most n zero. Yes. So remember what I have told. For linear polynomial, okay, remember, for linear polynomial, ಎಷ್ಟು zeros ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 1 0. For quadratic, how many zeros it has? It has 2 zeros. For cubic, ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Like that, n ಇದ್ದಾಗ n number of zeros it has. But remember one thing, 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, or you can take quadratic. Quadratic ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, right? So, for quadratic polynomial, it has 2 zeros. 2 zeros ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, 1 ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು, right? That means 2 zeros, we can get 2 zeros. Next, 1 graph ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು. This is also a quadratic polynomial and this is also a quadratic polynomial. Here we are getting 1 0. Here we are getting 2 zeros. In some graph, the parabola, the U shape is, that means ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? Above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So in this condition, how many zeros it has? No zeros, right? No zeros. Illu kuda illa, illu kuda no zeros. But remember one thing, this is also a quadratic polynomial. This is also a quadratic polynomial. This is also a quadratic polynomial. But ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ more than n zero, more than 2 zeros ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Have you observed more than 2 zeros anywhere? No. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, but more than 2 is not there. 1 ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, right? That means we can say that at most 2. At most 2. More than 2 is not possible. Less than 2 is possible, but more than 2 is not possible. That we can say that at most n 0. Here n degree is there, so we can say that at most n 0. So yarella D option hedidira, that is right answer. Okay, very good. So don't get confused. At least n 0, at least n, at most means maximum ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ is not possible. So more than 2 is not possible. Less than 2 is possible, but more than 2 is not possible. So that we can say that at most n 0, at most 2 0, at most 3 0. See, in case of cubic, maximum 3 zeros we can have. Less than 3 is possible, but more than 3 is not possible. So we can say that at most n 0. Remember. Next one. Zeros of p of x equal to x square minus 27. So here also we can find out zeros of this polynomial. How? Again by using factorization method. ಹೇಗೆ factorization method use ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ? See, ಹೇಗೆ factorization method ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? x square minus 27 is there. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? What I will do, I will equate this polynomial to 0. So x square equal to, transfer this 27 to this side, equal to 27. X square equal to 27 can be written as square root of 27. So sorry, x equal to square root of 27. X square equal to 27. Then what is the value of x? X is root 27. x square ಇದ್ದಾಗ 27 ಇದ್ರೆ x ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. So x equal to I will write 27 as 9 threes are 27 or 3 nines are 27. Next, square root of 9. Square root of 9. 9 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು square root ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ what I will get? I will get x equal to plus or minus 3 into root 3. So 9 is a perfect square number. 3 square is 9. So if it is ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3. So this 3 is not a perfect square number. So write 3 as it is plus or minus 3 into root 3. So which answer is right here? Plus or minus 3 into root 3. Option B is right. Next one. If, observe carefully, if minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial x square minus 7x minus 8, then calculate other zero. So 1 0 already they have given and we need to find out other zero. How? P of x equal to x square minus 7x minus 8 is the quadratic polynomial. 1 0 already they have given, that is minus 1. Now what we will do? We will substitute x equal to minus 1 here. Minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 minus 8. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus 7 minus 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 8. So both are 0. Okay, this is other 0. Next one. If the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3. Observe carefully. Then find the value of k. What they have given? Sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial they have given, that is 3. Alpha plus beta value is equal to 3 they have given. What they have asked? Then find the value of k. Right? So alpha we know sum of zeros is equal to minus b divided by a. Minus b divided by a. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. A value is 3, b value is minus k and c value is 6. So alpha plus beta value is 3 they have given, minus b value is minus k. Minus k divided by a value is 3. Now transfer this 3 to this side. 3 into 3 is equal to minus into minus plus. So k value is 3 into 3 is 9. So k value is 9. Okay. Next one. Polynomials of degree 1, 2, 3 are called. Yes, my dear children. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದನ್ನ. Polynomial of degree 1, 2, 3. If degree 1, if polynomial has degree 1, then it is called as linear. Degree 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Degree 2 ಇದ್ರೆ? Degree 2 idre, if polynomial of degree 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. If a polynomial contains degree 2, then it is quadratic. Degree 3, then it is called as cubic. Cubic polynomial. Next, the algebraic expression in which the variable has non-negative integral exponents only. See, here they have mentioned non-negative. Non-negative means it is a positive exponents. Idre, that we call it as polynomials. Non-negative idre, that is polynomials. Okay. Next one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6, alpha into beta is equal to 5, then find the polynomial. That means here we need to find out quadratic polynomial. So alpha plus beta value is minus 6 and alpha into beta value is 5. Here we need to use that expression, that is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? X into alpha plus beta value is minus 6 plus alpha into beta value is 5. X square minus into minus plus 6x plus 5. This is our required polynomial, right? So this is the quadratic polynomial, and this question can be asked for 1 mark. These all are 1 marks questions. Okay. So this completes your polynomial chapter. So here we have learned what is polynomial and types of polynomial depending upon the terms and depending upon the degree, and main important point is geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Okay, here we are going to plot a graph. Graph anna kottirtare. By using that graph, we can tell how many zeros it has, right? And next part is relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Here we are going to use sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros alpha into beta equal to c by a, right? Next, when sum and products are given, by using that sum and product, we are going to find out quadratic polynomial. Yes, this is also very, very important concept. And next, we have solved some MCQ questions. This completes your polynomial chapter. Hegittu? Easy ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So, easy chapter and interesting chapter also. Yes. So, in today's session, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now, I will end up my class with one positive thought. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು? ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮೆಟ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನನ್ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನನಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೆಟ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹೇಗ್ ಹತ್ತೋದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಗ್ ಹತ್ತೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹತ್ತೋಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಮೇಲ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹತ್ತೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹತ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹತ್ಬೇಕು. ತಾನೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಹತ್ತಾ ಹತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಗೋಲ್, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕುತ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹತ್ತೋಣ, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹತ್ತೋಣ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹತ್ತೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Okay, so study well. All the very best. Thank you so much.